The challenges now we are getting is people playing my numbers on their on the street, play anywhere. They play that music. Instead of me getting the contract to come and play, they call those people. That is in Nigeria here. I don't think it's like that overseas, but in Nigeria here, Nigeria have no law. Their law is just like this. When somebody know that this is not right for him to do, they will now doing it, and then Nigeria government will do nothing.
It's not fair.
So as copyright is concerned, if it were other countries, nobody will play another person's number in public.
Exactly.
You can just play, you sing, but not getting money with it. Making money with it.
Exactly.
It's not good. So that's the challenges we have here.
At least now with this interview, at least people can now know. If you want to hear from the Oriental Brothers directly, if you want to see them perform live, they're here, right? So you don't need to go around booking other bands to sing their songs. You're able to reach them right here.